Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss construction of analytic function by Millen-Thomson method. Millen-Thomson method, polar form. Okay, first we will discuss working method. Okay, first one, given u or v, function of r comma theta. Okay, function of r comma theta. If u is given, it's a function of r comma theta. We need to find ur and u theta. And also, if b is given, that time we need to find Vr and V theta. Okay. Then write down fundamental property f dash of z is equal to e to the power of minus I theta ur plus IDR. Okay, ur plus IDR. Then, okay, if u is given, we found ur and u theta. In this, we don't know the Vr, correct? In this, we don't know the Vr. That time, use the CR equation. Vr is equal to minus 1 by r u theta. Vr is equal to minus 1 by r u theta. Okay, means what will happen? F dash of z is equal to e to the power of minus I theta. We know the ur, but we don't know the Vr. That time 1 minus 1 by r minus 1 by r u theta. In place of Vr, we have to substitute here u theta. Ur minus 1 by r u theta. Okay. Then similarly, if V is given, then we found Vr and V theta. In this, observe here, f dash of z e to the power of minus I theta ur plus IDR. Okay, we don't know the ur. Use the CR equation. Ur is equal to 1 by r v to the power of theta. 1 by r v theta. Okay, means f dash of z is equal to e to the power of minus I theta. Okay, in place of ur, 1 by r v theta minus Vr. Okay, Vr. Then next we need to find f of z. Okay, means what we'll do, put r is equal to z and theta is equal to 0. Then you get f dash of z function. Then next integrate. With respect to z. Okay, then we get f of z. Understood? F dash of z, find out. The next step, in place of r put it z, and also in place of theta put it z. You will get it f dash of z, but we want f of z. Then do the integration. Integration of f dash of z into dz. You will get it f of z. Okay, this is the working method for polar form. Then next we will solve the problem. Okay, take down. Construct the analytical function. Construct the analytic function. Analytical function whose real part is r square cos 2 theta, r square cos 2 theta. Okay, here real part is given. Here real part is nothing but u. Real part is nothing but u. U is equal to r square cos 2 theta. Okay, first step, what we have to find? We have to find ur and u theta. Ur, the given function, we have to partially differentiating with respect to r. Ur is equal to differentiation of r square is what here? 2r. Then differentiation of cos 2 theta. Partially differentiating with respect to r we are doing. Means r square is 2r. Then differentiation of cos 2 theta is what here? Differentiation of cos 2 theta. Okay, here partially differentiating with respect to r means r is a varying, cos 2 theta is a constant. Means only we have to differentiate r square. R square is 2r. Then cos 2 theta is constant, write down as it is only. Then u theta, partially differentiating with respect to theta here. R square, differentiation of cos 2 theta is what here? Minus 2 into sin 2 theta. Minus 2 into sin 2 theta. Okay. Then ur is equal to 2r cos 2 theta. And u theta is equal to minus 2r square sin 2 theta. Okay. Then the next step, take down f dash of z. F dash of z is equal to here e to the power of minus I theta ur plus I dr. Okay, we know that ur, we don't know the dr. Okay, then use the CR equation. Use the CR equation. Observe a CR equation. dr is nothing but minus 1 by r u theta, minus 1 by r u theta, means e to the power of minus I theta ur right as it is. In place of dr, substitute here minus 1 by r into u theta. Okay, means f dash of z is equal to e to the power of minus I theta ur, observe here ur is 2r cos theta. ur is 2r cos theta, cos 2 theta minus 1 by r. U theta is what here? Minus 2r square sin 2 theta. Okay. Then here observe here r and r get cancelled. Okay, here e to the power of minus f dash of z is equal to e to the power of minus I theta into 2r cos 2 theta. R get cancel, means here r square 1 r will get cancel, minus into minus plus 2r sin theta, sin 2 theta, means f dash of z is equal to e to the power of minus I theta 2r cos 2 theta plus 2r sin 2 theta. Okay, then the next put r is equal to z and theta is equal to 0. F dash of z is equal to, take down 2r common here, 2r e to the power of minus I theta cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta. The next step, put r is equal to z and theta is equal to 0, means f dash of z is equal to 2z e to the power of minus I theta cos 0 plus sin 0. Okay, means here theta is 0, no? 2z into e to the power of minus I into 0. Cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. We know that sin 0 is also 1 here. Means 2z into 1 into 1. Okay? Means 2z into 1 is 2z only. Means f dash of z is equal to 2z. F dash of z is equal to 2z. But we need to find the f of z. Okay? Means f integration of f dash of z dz is equal to integration of 2z dz plus c. Integration and differentiation get cancelled. F of z is equal to 2 into integration of z is z square by 2 plus c. 2 get cancelled. F of z is equal to z square plus c. F of z is equal to z square plus c. Okay. Then next we will solve one more problem. Determine the analytic function f of z whose imaginary part is r minus k square by r into sin theta. R is not equal to 0. Hence, find the real part of f of z. Real part of f of z. Okay. Here, imaginary part is given here. V is equal to r minus k square by r. Okay. Into sin theta. V is equal to r minus k square by r sin theta. Then partially differentiating with respect to r here. Vr is equal to, okay, sin theta is a constant, write down as it is. Then differentiation of r is what? 1 minus, observe here, 1 by r, we are writing r to the power of minus 1. Then differentiation of r to the power of minus 1 is r to the power of minus 1, okay, minus 1 here means minus r to the power of minus 2, then minus 1 by r square. Differentiation of 1 by r is minus 1 by r square. Okay, this is here k square into minus 1 by r square. Then close the bracket into sin theta. Then Vr is equal to 1 minus to minus plus k square by r square into sin theta Okay, then next we need to find the v theta. Okay, v theta is equal to r minus k square by r. Differentiation of sin theta is what here? Cos theta. Differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. Okay, then here f dash of z is equal to what? E to the power of minus I theta u r plus I dr. u r plus I dr. Okay. Then observe here, we know the Vr, but we don't know the Ur. Observe here, we know the Vr and V theta, but we don't know the Ur. Now use the CR equation. Use the CR equation. Ur is equal to 1 by r into V theta. Ur is nothing but 1 by r into V theta. Okay, take down f dash of z e to the power of minus I theta. Ur is 1 by r v theta plus I into Vr. Okay. Then f dash of z. Yes, f dash of z e to the power of minus I theta 1 by r. V theta is what here? Observe here. V theta is what here? R minus k square by r into cos theta. Okay, plus I into Br is 1 plus k square by r square into sin theta. Okay. The next simplify here e to the power of minus I theta. R gets cancelled. Then 1 minus k square by r square. Okay, here. Then into cos theta. E to the power of minus I theta 1 minus k square r square cos theta. Okay. Then plus I into 1 plus k square by r square sin theta. Okay. The next step, what we have to do means here we have dash put r is equal to z and theta is equal to 0. Okay, here f dash of z is equal to e to the power of minus I into 0. Okay, means 1 minus k square by z square into, in place of cos theta, put it 0 here, cos 0 plus I into 1 plus k square by r square into sin 0. Okay, you know that sin 0 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. Okay, what will happen? This term is becoming a 0. Means e to the power of 0 is 1. 1 minus k square by z square cos 0 is 1. Okay, means f dash of z is equal to 1 into 1 minus k square by z square. Then integrating the both sides. F of z is equal to integration of 1 minus k square z square by dz plus c. Then integrate, what will get here? Integration of 1 is z, integration of 1 by z square. Integration of 1 by z square dz is equal to the integration of z to the power of minus 2z Integrate, what will get? Z to the power of minus 2 plus 1, minus 2 plus 1 means z to the power of minus 1 minus means minus 1 by z square is get 1 by z is get means here already minus is there, minus into minus plus 1 by k square by z into plus 3 z square plus k square z plus 3 plus 3. Okay. Then in this we need to find the real part of f of z also. We need to find the real part also we need to find. Okay, means here here what is there here? F of z is equal to z plus k square by z plus 3. Okay, means in place of here, in place of z substitute here r into e to the power of phi theta, means f of z is equal to r into e to the power of phi theta plus k square r into e to the power of phi theta plus 3. Okay, then collect its real part one side and imaginary part one side. Okay, means what will get here? Here, here observe here, e to the power of phi theta is cos theta plus I sin theta. Then plus k square by r e to the power of minus I theta plus 3. Okay, here r cos theta plus I r sin theta. Then plus k square by r e to the power of minus I theta is cos theta minus I sin theta minus I sin theta plus 3. Means f of z is equal to, collect its real part on side r. Okay, plus here k square by r square is also constant term. Real part k square by r into cos theta plus I, this is observe here, this is imaginary part and this is also imaginary part. Okay, I into r minus k square by r sin theta. Means here u is equal to r plus k square by r cos theta. This is a real part. Okay, problem is completed.